Soil restoration after mining is one of the crucial issues that needs to be addressed. Restoring soil conditions enables the growth of new plant species. However, cleaning up the soil requires manual labor and is a time-consuming process. As a result, tree clearing machines were developed to solve this problem quickly. Let's see how they work. Join us to discover more interesting information. Let's go! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. The Kubota SVL95 is one of the most advanced mini excavators on the market today, designed to meet efficient excavation and construction needs. With its 360-degree rotation and powerful diesel engine, producing up to 96 horsepower, the machine can quickly and effectively clear pine forests. Equipped with a sturdy arm and blade system, the machine can easily clear crops, dense forests, and land. The wheel suspension system and frame are designed to minimize vibrations and ensure stability during operation. The Kubota machine is capable of smooth and quiet operation, enhancing precision and flexibility during use. The precise hydraulic control system increases the accuracy and stability of the machine during operation. In addition, the enclosed cab is designed to ensure the safety of the operator during work, avoiding unnecessary collisions and risks, giving the operator peace of mind during machine operation. With its intelligent design and powerful operation, this machine is an ideal choice for quick and efficient pine forest clearing. The overgrowth of trees on both sides of the road can pose dangers such as limited visibility, obstructing traffic, and causing driver distraction. Tree branches can break and fall onto the road, causing accidents, and large trees can topple onto the road during adverse weather conditions. The Bobcat tree clearing machine is a smart choice for removing this dense vegetation. The machine can clear quickly and efficiently, reducing hazards to traffic and improving safety for drivers. The machine is equipped with sharp, twisted blades and a scraper blade that can cut and clear dense trees, bushes, weeds, and fallen branches on the road. The machine can rotate 360 degrees and move flexibly, making it easy to access hard-to-reach areas and clear with precision. The track system is designed to move on difficult terrain, ensuring safety for the driver and allowing the machine to move easily during operation. The Bobcat tree clearing machine is one of the effective devices for clearing dense vegetation, weeds, grass, and fallen tree branches from the roadside. To operate effectively, the machine is equipped with important components such as cutting blades, lift arm, cab, and engine system. The cutting blades of the Bobcat tree clearing machine are made from high-quality materials to ensure high durability and fast, precise cutting capability. The blade system is designed in a spiral shape to ensure the machine can cut and clean up all types of vegetation in the working area. The lift arm of the machine has a 360-degree rotating capability and flexible movement, allowing it to access hard-to-reach areas and clean up accurately. The cab of the machine is designed to be comfortable with modern control devices, enabling the operator to easily and conveniently control the machine. The engine system is equipped with a powerful engine, ensuring maximum work efficiency of the machine. The CAT 299D3 tree clearing machine is equipped with a powerful engine with a capacity of 100 kilowatts, which enables the machine to operate strongly and efficiently. With a large fuel tank capacity, the machine can work continuously for long periods of time without the need to stop and refuel. The width and height of the machine are designed reasonably, enabling it to move easily in restricted spaces. This automatic tree clearing machine is one of the important devices in environmental protection. Thanks to its automatic operation and sharp blades, the machine can quickly and efficiently clear overgrown areas of trees and weeds. This helps to minimize the risk of traffic accidents and ensure safety for road users, while also helping to maintain the landscape and the purity of the environment. The use of this machine is a smart choice for clearing up areas of land, allowing us to quickly improve the soil quality and accelerate the process of planting trees after the land has been improved. This efficiently creates new landscapes for customers, land, and forests. As advanced industrial machines increasingly replace humans in heavy-duty jobs, tree clearing machines have also been developed to meet the growth demand for production. However, in developing countries, the use of this type of machine is still limited. We hope that our video will provide you with useful information about this machine, helping you make accurate choices in your work. That's the end of our video. Thank you for watching it to the end. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Have a good day and see you in the next video. Bye!